Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be exploring Mautic's dashboard and showing you how to customize it. Let's get started. When you first log into Mautic, the dashboard is the first page that you will see. You can also navigate to it using the first button on the main menu. Mautic's dashboard reports provide key data over a certain period of time, which you can change by selecting a different start and end date. Once you've made your selections, you can click Apply to update the reports. When you first install Mautic, you will have 11 widgets on your dashboard: most sent emails, top submission refers, form submissions in time, stages in time, which refers to stages in the admissions process, contacts created, a contact map that shows where your contacts are from, top lists, website visits, emails sent versus opened, and a series of pie charts that contrast two different figures such as unique and returning visitors, identified and anonymous leads, ignored versus opened emails, and dwell times. At the bottom, you also have a widget that details your recent activity in Mautic, as well as any upcoming emails that are set to be sent out. If you want to edit any of these reports, simply click the three dots in the right-hand corner and select Edit. Here, you can change the name of the widget, as well as its size. If you want a different type of report, click the Type drop-down menu, and you can view all the different report types in Mautic and change it accordingly. Then click Save to apply your changes. You can also move around the widgets in Mautic. Simply click and drag the report to where you want to place it. Once you're happy with your dashboard, simply scroll up and click Save in the top right-hand corner. You can create a name for this dashboard, which is especially important if you want to have different dashboards that you can alternate between that show different types of data. And that's it. Now you know how to customize your Mautic dashboard. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.